The Regional Information Center is a New York State Education department, and our primary mission is to support districts in their use and acquisition of technology. My belief is that we're raising a generation of digital storytellers, and we always have. You know, kids have always wanted to tell a story. In the past, they did it with crayons and paper. And now they're doing it with video because it's the technology. It's a 21st century skill.
The reason why we decided to invest in Ensemble Video was because we could see the value that it would have to teachers as well as students and parents across the state. And we saw immediately that with this wonderful product, it could be integrated into a lot of the other products that we sell to education across New York State. Well, the great thing about Ensemble Video is it is like a secure YouTube. It allows a simple way for videos to be uploaded and published, but the great thing about it is it's behind your school security wall.
Teachers, you know, are walking in with their phones and being able to record and then saying, hey, I got this great shot of this child reading for the first time, and I want to be able to publish it. In the past, we would have to burn it to a DVD or a CD, and now they have the opportunity to really place it up there on the web. The parents have an opportunity to sort of feel like they're a part of the classroom, they're a part of the learning. They can potentially help the students with their homework, with instruction. If they're out of town or traveling or working and they can't attend an event, they can now view it and talk about it with their child. You know, I think it breaks down that barrier between home and school.
The rate at which it's taking off is really absolutely amazing to me. So it just reinforces to me the fact that we're in the right place at the right time and that kids really do want to tell their story with video. So do the administrators and teachers, and they just need the tools to be able to do so.
I really feel that we work well with Lyric and all the people here to bring to the table a product that they can go and know that when they sell it to their school districts, we're going to be here to support them through the whole process. So they're never alone. They have us.
They care about K-12. They care about kids. Their conversation always starts with instruction. I think that's when you work with a vendor, that's the first thing you want to hear. That we care about kids and we care about instruction. Because anyone, I think, can build a product, but it's really understanding who your customer is, and that's what makes the difference.